to fix YouTube super chat not visible during live. So to fix missing super chats on mobile, first confirm that your channel belongs to the YouTube Partner Program and that super chat is active under the Earn tab in Studio settings. Also make sure that the live stream is not designated as made for kids or restricted by age, as super chats are disabled on this stream. Now in the YouTube mobile app live chat, tap settings or the chat filter and select fan funding to highlight only super stickers. Now the next what you can do is, if you only see basic comments below the video, swipe left across the chat to comment header area to open the real-time live chat panel. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the YouTube app, and if you see an update button available right here, instead of open, tap an update to get the latest version to patch interface bugs. Now the next what you can do is, if you are an Android device, just go to your device's settings, then find apps, then go to YouTube stories and then tap clear at the bottom right corner of your screen. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.